Ever wondered about Earth's truly otherworldly places? Our planet is a treasure trove of life, but some ecosystems are simply extraordinary. Today, we're diving into the world's most unique ecosystems, where life has adapted in astonishing ways, pushing the very boundaries of survival. First, journey to the deep sea's hydrothermal vents. These volcanic hotspots spew superheated, mineral-rich water far beneath the ocean. In total darkness, life thrives on chemosynthesis. Giant tube worms and unique bacteria form vibrant communities in an otherwise toxic environment. Next, Socotra Island, off Yemen, often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. Isolated for millennia, over a third of its plant species are endemic. Its iconic dragon's blood tree, with its umbrella canopy and crimson sap, creates an ancient, alien landscape. Finally, the Atacama Desert in Chile, one of Earth's driest places. Despite almost no rainfall, life persists. Unique extremophile microbes thrive in its hyperarid soils. Coastal fog supports low-moss ecosystems, creating surprising patches of vegetation, even aiding Mars mission equipment testing. These incredible ecosystems showcase life's boundless adaptability and Earth's astonishing biodiversity. They are vital natural wonders. If you found this fascinating, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more amazing insights.